So apparently this is my second video, and thank you for 300 subs. In today's video, we're going to roast this girly greater than. So first let's check out her bio.
القاتلة النظرة الدموية.
If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I could take you for a ride.
Yeah, when they see me, they salute to have a juku. Some pink pumps, pink thumbs, and a tooth.
Oh, stress. Oh my god, stress. Oh my god. Oh, stress. Oh my god, stress. Oh my god.
Came from Elliot, money jumping out the building like a big.
Hit or miss, I guess they never miss, huh? You
냄새? 디스커스팅한 냄새가 나요. disgusting shit.
So that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe or else Mirana will